All right, guys, I want to talk to you about positioning yourself, being in the position to capitalize um, when opportunity strikes. And when that happens in different situations, is why people are looking to sell. Many different reasons of why people are looking to sell. They can be, we talked about this in previous videos. Remember, mobile homes they're like transitional homes, meaning eventually they'll want to get into a traditional home, and the mobile home just becomes a hassle to them. So it could be a job transfer. Again, they can be upgrading to a home. It could be relationship reasons, medical reasons. It could be a parent, someone died, and the child has no use for it. So it can be an abandoned home. It's just it's multiple ways that you can come across these homes. But again, like what we teach is you have to put yourself in that position, when that happens to them, they can find you. They can easily find you. And that's what we teach you guys in the course of putting yourself in that position to where when they're transitioning, when they're thinking of transitioning, okay, I got this number. I know these people who I can call, and they can help me out. So that's what we want to teach you guys, is being able to put yourselves in positions to capitalize when these people transition out of these mobile homes. A lot of the homes we get, recently what we've been getting is people calling because the home was abandoned, someone lived in it, parent died or something like that, and the kids no longer have use for it. One we got a couple of months back, a lady, her mother-in-law was living in the house and in the mobile home, and she passed. And the lady was an out-of-town owner, so she really didn't have no use for the home. And like we say too, a lot of time these sellers, they don't know what the mobile homes are worth. So you're picking up these homes for a couple of grand, and even if you don't have the money, you can wholesale them to somebody else. So it's just about putting yourself in that position, being able to capitalize, and you put money into your pocket because you're in position. That's it.